futuristic disco ball.
With over 300 individually hand-machined parts, it's been a labour of love for Neil.
You know what? You are, and I mean this in the most complimentary way possible, the biggest nerd I've ever met. I absolutely love it.
Building this was no small feat. No images of the inside workings of Leon's machine exist, as they were made secret by the Kremlin. More on that later.
Talk me through it. What on earth is going on?
So this is the camera element. And what happens here is, if you imagine there's a scene over there, the light from that scene comes in, reflects off these mirrors, and then it reflects off that mirror. And then it goes down to a photo sensor inside that tube.
This one here?
Yep.
Leon's invention has two spinning mirror drums that work together to receive light and scan it across a tiny window in front of the photocell light detector. His version of the smart doorbell's camera sensor. Then a radio transmitter sends the image to somewhere else. In other words, transmits it.
And because it's an electrical signal, it's nearly instantaneous. Even if you're 10 miles away, you see it in real time.
This is absolutely extraordinary.
Essentially, Leon had created live TV.
So this was like one of the first times ever, ever, that like an image has been translated from one place to another without the process of like chemically changing film.
Remarkable.
It really remarkable.
Neil's magnificent model isn't quite at live demo stage yet, but this is what Leon's moving images would have looked like. That's 100 lines of resolution, which might not look impressive compared to the 2,000 plus lines of our modern TVs, but it was revolutionary for its time. News of Leon's invention travelled all the way to the Kremlin.
He was asked to do a demonstration. So he took one of his units and, being flash, he put it on a tripod outside in the courtyard with a telephoto lens. And it was looking at the people that were coming up to this office.
Which, unsurprisingly, piqued the interest of a rather important man, Joseph Stalin. You know, the dictator running the Soviet Union.
Stalin liked it so much that he said, let's pay him some money and tell him never to talk about it ever again, and we'll use it for purposes.
Kremlin purposes.
It disappears from the public record. It's gone.